I'm joined by Shri Anand Rathi, Chairman of Anand Rathi Group. Thank you so much, sir, for talking to ET now. We are in Jaipur for Pravasi Rajasthan Divas, and if we see in last 4 to 5 years, number of demat account has gone 4 times. During COVID time, number of demat accounts were 4 crore. Now we are at the mark of 18 crore, and state like Rajasthan has also contributed in rise of number of demats account. Do you think that going ahead, there's a rise of investors and number of demat account will increase continuously?
The answer is simple. It will increase because let us see where will people like to invest. Where there is better returns. And where are better returns? It is in the equity market. I mean, people have realized gradually. And perhaps, COVID was not good otherwise. But perhaps for stock market, people who had idea to think about, look at the markets. I think that's the time when people started getting more into buy. You see, a time will come. Well, at least 50% of the people will have demat account.
Okay, means 150 crore population, so we'll have a demat account of 70-80 crore.
Correct. That will happen. Maybe take 10 years or whatever time. Because if you look at any other country's history, what is there in USA? In USA, more than 50% families are investing in equity. In India, it's still 10%. Okay. So gradually now people are realizing, that it is not as risky as people think it to be. So that is why the perception will change as the more education is there about investment. More and more advisors are there across the country. Then people are really realizing that people, we have missed the bus earlier. Let's not miss it now.
Okay.
So gradually people will come.
Sir, you said that returns have given, but if you see last 1 year, Nifty, Sensex both have not given returns in absolute term. So what should be the message to the investor? Because the new investor, the newcomers are disappointed because they came in a market with a hope that they will make money, but returns are flat.
It is not true that returns are flat in 3 years.
1 year, I'm saying last 1 year,
So I
last
think,
November to November.
My clear advice is this market cannot be looked from year to year. It must be looked at least for 3 to 5 years. Longer the period you look at that, it will make you happier. If you take 5-year moving average, it will always be on rises. If you take 10-year moving average, it will be on rise. So if you see day to day, market will be fluctuating. So people, if they want to come in this market, let them come if they have money for 3 years or more. Let them not come if money is needed after 6 months. This is not the market for them. This market is for people who want to put long-term investment. And I would call long-term minimum 3 years. Okay? If you have more than 3 years, just don't worry. I think, any 3-year period will give at least 8-10% return, which is higher than fixed deposit. Any 5-year period will give more than 10%. Any 10-year period will give more than 12%.
Okay.
So I think it is a longer the period, more advantage.
Okay, so you have given the formula. Sir, we have seen that in Q2, the growth GDP number is 8.2%. And going ahead, according to you, what are the challenges for economy and that will have impact on the stock market also? Because we are seeing that trade deal is still a problem. The rupee rates also, the fall in rupee is also more or less impacting. FIIs are taking money from the Indian markets.
So if you look at from that angle, in spite of trade deal not happening, in spite of rupee falling down, in spite of any other problems which are facing, the GDP has grown by 8%. Suppose if these problems were not there, GDP would have grown even more. My belief is India is capable of growing 10% or more, but at least 7 to 8% growth will come for next at least 10 years. We are in the cycle of growth. Our infrastructure cycle is there today, and therefore, I think it may vary quarter to quarter, year to year. But again, if you take a view for next 5-10 years, the country has to grow by 7-8% minimum.
And sir, in a short term, according to you, what are the challenges for economy in a short term for a 1 year horizon?
You see, challenges obviously, as you said, tariff. There is so much of uncertainty. Not that to my mind, tariff, whatever tariffs come, the business will adjust, At one time, when there were huge import duties, when they were reduced, people said, oh, what will happen to local industry? They will shut down. But it didn't happen. They improved. So my belief is that Indian entrepreneurs are very capable. If a challenge comes, they'll meet it. You have seen already, in spite of our exports going down to US drastically, overall exports are not going down.
Okay.
So Indian industries, entrepreneurs have found other markets. So I think our contribution in the international market is so low that some small problem
Will not have
will have short-term impact, but in long term, I'm sure we'll be able to find better means and solve the problem.